Okay guys, so now you want to fill in your bundle identifier if you haven't already. You will then want to come to product and hit archive. It may be grayed out and you will need to head up to the top left here and take it off the simulator. You can see that it has Reese's iPhone. That is because my iPhone is currently plugged in at the moment. However, I do believe it should just say iPhone. Now, if you come back to product, you can hit archive, and it is doing it at the moment. So, if you have that issue, now this has come up, but you will not see it like that. You will hit submit, and you will fetch information and select your account, and then you will hit submit. Hit always allow or allow. And now it is uploading the archive. You will be able to then see this in the iTunes Connect, and we can see it through there. So, check our bundle ID. That is why you need to make sure. It does say checklist here. We can get rid of that by coming to info and getting rid of this information here. And this here, com.reemers, or it'll be yours, and then your bundle ID information. So now that that's working, we should hit product archive, and this is succeeded. We will then hit submit. It will do the same situation again. We will hit submit, and hopefully it should work. So it is uploading it, and that is it. It is sending it to the iTunes Connect store. So I will see you in the next lecture. Hi guys, and thanks for taking my course. Now that you've learnt how to publish iOS apps to the iTunes store, you might be thinking, well, what can I do with this information now? And there is plenty of ways that you can use this information. You can either help your friends or family, or you could make money. One way is through what is called Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace where people sell items and services for $5. And from this, you could make money. So for here, we'll go publish iOS app. And people pay others $5, which I believe you get $4 out of, to publish iPhone apps to the store. Or you could sell other services if you didn't already know about Fiverr. So, as you can see, people also develop apps here. However, you have to inquire, and I don't believe that they're $5 for an app. You can test an app, or you could sell an app that you test and publish to the iTunes store. You could make some quick, easy money from this, so it's a great way. Also, you could learn how to publish Android apps to the store, and you could market both of those. Pretty easy way to make some money online, and it's quick, easy, and very simple now that you know how to do it. Thank you. Okay guys, so this will be the screen that you will get once you have successfully submitted your app to the App Store. If it comes up with red images saying that it has failed, you've probably left it on universal, um, but if you haven't done the iPad images, you will get that image. So you will have to go back and redo the iPad images, which I believe are 76 pixels by 76 pixels. Um, Failing that, and you just want to make it for the iPhone, you can go back to Xcode, for example, and hit Devices, iPhone, or iPad if you just want to make it for the iPad. So you can go Done on here. You can then go to Google Chrome and go to your iTunes Connect, and then head to your app that you've used the same bundle ID for. So now you can hit plus next to build, and you can select your app that you have just done. So you can put in your contact information. Reese, Reemers, whatever your name is, put it in. Here is my email if you need it. Automatically release. So that means once it gets approved, it'll get put straight out onto the iTunes Store. Now we will want to go version 1, category. You might want to put lifestyle to help people get things done. Secondary, you might go business because it might be work related. You can then go rating and hit edit, and then you will need to fill in this. However, it has none of these features. It is just a simple to-do list application. So, 4 above, and we can hit done. Your app icon size must be PNG or JPEG, and it needs to be 1024 pixels by 1024. So you can head to Google, for example, and go pictures, and then hit images, and then search tools, and you can customize your search to get the image that you wish. So we'll go size exactly 1024 by 1024 and hit go. Now this will bring up this. You can then choose a picture of your liking and save that, or alternatively you can save it and we can open it in Photoshop, and you could go Command Shift O, no, it opens up Bridge, Command O for open, and then you could open up this, for example, your other icon. Silly me, I do not need this. New Finder window. We can then head to here, wherever you've saved your images, and we could bring this into here. We can select it so that it will not spread unevenly. And although that's horrible, I mean, you could create it yourself by painting it and then bringing in the images like we did in the previous videos. We will save this here, under to-do list, and we will go PNG, and we will make that 1024 by 1024. And if you submit apps regularly, you could create your own folder with these types of images, so that way you could easily reskin them for each app that you need. So we can come back to iTunes Connect, choose the file that we just created here and then here, and that uploads, and you can put in this app is simple and easy to do list application. Keywords is words that people search for, so you might have searched for the Facebook app or those types of things. These are like keywords, just like Google with SEO, search engine optimize page. You can SEO your app. However, I don't believe it's called the same thing. Support URL, you might just want to create a cheap, not cheap, free Facebook page. However, I do have a web page. These aren't necessary. However, if you wish, you could put the same for your support URL. You can see here the app icon as uploaded. Keywords we might just put in to do. You want to keep these fairly, you don't want to like put in a lot of spaces because you'll lose your words. To do, tasks, and you can just put a ton of these in to help improve your ranking. So we'll save that. You must enter a phone number. However, I will not do that at the moment. And then you will just need to upload these screenshots. And I will show you how to do that in the next lecture. Thanks. Okay guys, so final stages. If you wish to upload a screenshot of your app, you will need to go back to the pixel sizes as we've discussed in an earlier lecture. And then an easy way to take a screenshot is if you come back here and put it back onto the simulator and hit run. Open up this, hit Command-Shift-4 on your Mac, which will enable you to grab a screenshot from that. You can then go to Photoshop, go Command-O for open, and you can then bring that in from the desktop. Whoops, sorry, you need to go to Finder, and then you can drag it in over the top, and you will want to stretch it out to cover the image, and then hit Command-Shift-S is a quick way to save as. Again, Udemy Teaching, to-do list app, and then we can just put screenshot. And you'll want to make sure that that is on PNG, and then hit the save. Once you've done that, you will then hit choose file and then upload it, and if all your other information is done, you can hit save and submit for review. Thank you for taking my course. I do give out discounted coupons now and then, so be sure to keep up on the notification emails. I do have other courses coming out, so thank you for your time and all the best with your App Store publishing. Be sure to follow me on Twitter or connect with me on LinkedIn if you wish, or Google+. So I will see you in the future. Thanks. Hi guys, I'd just like to say thanks for taking my course and be sure uh, to stay in it because I have a few more coming out. As you can see here, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, WordPress, website with an iOS app, an iOS 8 keyboard, Flappy Bird clone, understanding C Sharp and C++, and then jQuery, Xcode, and a to-do list app. So there is plenty coming out, and I will be posting coupons for discounts when they do. So just keep an eye out in your notifications. Thanks.